Ready to dive into the adrenaline-pumping world of Beast games? This video is your fast pass to watching every challenge, every victory, and every epic moment on Amazon Prime Video. First, you'll need an active Amazon Prime membership. If you already have one, awesome. If not, head to Amazon's website and sign up for a Prime subscription. This gives you access to a huge library of movies, TV shows, and of course, Beast games. Next, make sure your device is compatible. Amazon Prime Video works on most smart TVs, computers, tablets, and smartphones. Simply download the Amazon Prime Video app from your device's app store, or access it through your web browser. Now, open the Amazon Prime Video app or website and use the search bar to type in Beast Games. The show should pop right up. On the Beast Games show page, you'll find all available episodes. Browse through them and select the one you want to watch. Finally, hit that play button, grab your snacks, and get ready to witness some incredible feats of strength, strategy, and sheer determination. Enjoy Beast Games on Amazon Prime Video.